Logarithm lesson 1. In grade 11, you learned how to solve this equation, 7 to the power of x equals 49. You made the bases the same, and using the fact that if a to the power of b and a to the power of c are the same, then b and c must be the same. But if I ask you to solve 5 to the power of x equals 11, you cannot basically make the bases the same as easy as you could do with 7. To make the bases the same, in this case, we have to use a new definition. But before we get to that definition, let's see how we solve this 5 to the power of x equals 11. 5 to the power of 1 is 5. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Therefore, the root is somewhere between 1 and 2, right? Now you can find 1 to the power of 5 to the power of 1.5 and see if it is between 1 and 1.5 or 1.5 and 2, and keep doing this process till you find the root approximately. Definition. If a to the power of x is b, the assumption that a is positive, b is positive, and a is not 1, x is log of b base a. And the other way around, because it is definition, that means a to the power of x equals b is exactly the same as x equals log of b base a. Basically, what we see in this definition is, using log, we find the exponent. So whenever we are looking for exponent, we have to use log. With that definition, from this equation, we can say x is log of 11 base 5. Let's compare. A is 5, b is 11. 11 base 5. So x is basically log of 11 base 5. Let's talk a little bit more about log and then solve this equation and find the solution with 4 decimals. We know a to the power of 1 is a. I repeat for this part, a must be greater than 0 and is not 1, right? So the whole course, the whole part of the course when we deal with log, we have the assumption that base and argument of log, both of them are positive, and base cannot be 1. Therefore, log of a base a is 1. Since a to the power of 0 is 1, log of 1 base a is 0. A to the power of x is b has the same meaning as a to the power of log of b base a is b. For example, log of 7 base 7 is 1. Log of 1 base 11 is 0. And 2 to the power of log of 5 base 2 is 5. The first one is the same as saying 7 to the power of 1 is 7, 11 to the power of 0 is 1, and this is the same as saying 2 to the power of x is 5, and x is log of 5 base 2. When the base is 10, it's called common log. Common log. And usually we don't write the base. So log of a and log of a base 10 have the same meaning. We use calculator to find log of 2 base 10. There is a button for log. If you use that calculator, you see log of 2 is 0.30103. Log of 3, use the same button. The first thing that we show about log is called change of base formula. Change of base formula. Log of a base b is the same as log of a base c divided by log of b base c. We change the base from B to C. To prove this, we assume log of A base C is x. Therefore, C to the power of x is A. We also assume log of B base C is y. That means C to the power of y is B. From this equation, we have C equals A to the power of 1 over x. From this equation, we have C equals B to the power of 1 over y. Therefore, A to the power of 1 over x and B to the power of 1 over y are equal. Both of them are equal to C. From here, A would be B to the power of x over y. Both sides to the power of x. That means x over y is log of B base A, which is the same as saying x over y is log of A base B. Notice that if C to the power of x is A, both sides to the power of 1 over x gives us C equals A to the power of 1 over x. So we know log of A base B equals to log of A base C divided by log of B base A. We just proved it. C can be any number, including 10. Therefore, log of A base B is log of A base 10 divided by log of B base 10. From here, log of 2 base 7 is log of 2 base 10 divided by log of 7 base 10. You use your calculator and you'll find it approximately 0.356. Log of 11 base 5 is log of 11 base 10 divided by log of 5 base 10, which is 1.5. This means 1.5 to the power of x equals 11. This means 5 to the power of 1.5 is 11, approximately. You can check with your calculator. Now, let's get back to the question that we had. 5 to the power of x is 11. 5 to the power of x is 11. If 5 to the power of x is 11, x would be log of 11 base 5, which is approximately 1.5. Thank you.